Tuscany is my birthplace. For me, it's the best place in the world. You can find the classic Tuscany, but at the same time, every kind of outdoor activity.
We did Via Ferrata in Buti, absolutely epic. Just beautiful landscape, great local guides, a challenging climb up the mountain, absolutely amazing.
We went kayaking in Tuscany. It was nice and warm, surprising for Europe this time of the year. Absolutely beautiful. To me, it's about people just getting out there and doing real stuff. And adventure is real. We are cooking. Wine on the side helps with the cooking process and the patience which you need to make homemade pasta.
Where we are right now, this farm accommodations that we're in, they're carbon neutral, their food, everything they do here is sourced right from the farm. And that's really inspiring to see that there's someone out there that's doing absolutely zero impact.
Adventures come in all different shapes and sizes, eh?